If you want to add widgets to the home screen on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all we can press and hold our finger on an empty space in the home screen. Hold for like a second or so. After that you will open this menu, and in the bottom left corner you should be able to find widgets. Now you have the list of apps that have widgets. So let's say I'm gonna try to add a YouTube music widget, so I can tap on the YouTube music app in order to see all available widgets, and I can select whatever I wish to use. So I can tap on the widget in order to press this add button, and then the widget will be immediately added to the first available space. Or you can also just press and hold on the widget, and then you will be redirected to the home screen, and you can decide where you want to place it. So you can of course go all the way to the left or to the right in order to go to the next or previous page. And that's about it. If you have added a widget, of course, you can still press and hold your finger in order to change its position if needed. So that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!